From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like getting back to a more typical summer scenario weather-wise across the region. That is good news, especially for our friends to the west, but still some nuisance showers out there, especially down toward southeast Texas. We'll get to that in just a bit. In fact, let's go outside, take a look at the weather shot. Blake Blanchard getting our weather shot this evening, and more sunshine today, and that's going to be the trend into the weekend. Typical late summer weekend for the last weekend of summer. Unfortunately, though, it looks like summer conditions will continue into the first week of fall. So here we go with the radar satellite composite. Flash flood watches and warnings still affect across southeast Texas, but not in Louisiana. And as we take a look at the radar during the course of this afternoon, unfortunately, just adding insult to injury, heavy downpours across right around downtown Houston and right around the loop on I-45 north and south, and scattered activity through southeast Texas, but no additional flooding rains are expected. But it is a nuisance when you're trying to clean up. Meanwhile, locally across Acadiana, shower activity beginning to wind down. We have one cell that's north of Pecan Island in coastal portions of the marsh of Vermilion Parish, and then a nice little cell rolling right through the Youngsville area, missing DTA by just a little bit, and that shower's heading toward Maurice shortly. And again, just a few more showers earlier this evening, then things quieting down later on tonight. And for the first time, all the weather blobs up to the north now. The remnants of Dorian have been torn apart for the most part. High pressure starting to bank in from the northeast, so that brings in drier air. Meanwhile, in the tropics, still active, we have Hurricane Jerry. More on that. This tropical wave here in the Caribbean we'll keep an eye on. This one has a chance to develop, but as it gets closer to the Caribbean, it may fall apart. And another tropical wave coming off the African coast looks to develop, but I think this one is going to curve out in the Atlantic. This one we'll have to watch for our friends in the Caribbean. And this feature right here, some of this moisture may shoot toward the Gulf of Mexico and add to our rain chances mid next week. But we do have a hurricane on the map today, and after looking ragged on satellite imagery, Jerry looks to be getting a little bit stronger. 80 mile an hour winds right now, just brushing the extreme northeastern Caribbean with some tropical rains, but the main tropical storm force and hurricane force winds offshore for now. And again, the Hurricane Center weakening this system later on tonight, but I don't think that trend is going to continue. But it could weaken down to a tropical storm. Some shear here, but eventually a hurricane again. And guess who's in the sights of this one once again? Bermuda may get another brush with a tropical system in 4 to 5 days as we head into the middle part of next week. Meanwhile, our weather nice and quiet. Overnight tonight, we start off mostly sunny, and that's the way it goes through lunchtime as well. Temperatures approach 90 degrees for a high tomorrow afternoon. We'll keep it at 89 for now. And then scattered tropical showers and thunder showers in the latter part of the afternoon. Early evening, we're going to go with rain chance at about 30%. And then as we head into Sunday, maybe some clouds in the morning, just high clouds, but a mostly sunny day on Sunday. And this latest model run in line with my thinking. I think we see fewer showers, 10-20% on your rain chances for Sunday afternoon. And that's how it's going to go into early next week. So a few showers out there early, but quiet overnight tonight. Temperatures a little bit more pleasant, 72 your low with rain chance 30%, mainly early this evening. Tomorrow, sun and cloud mix, a few afternoon storms, and near normal temperatures, normal being 88, 89 or 90. We'll take that, but unfortunately, summer-like temperatures continue well into the first day of fall, which is Monday, and then going through next week, we could see an increase in the rain chances as we head into Wednesday, especially Thursday, with a little bit of a tropical wave, but back to the 90s for the following weekend. Now, we should have video here. How about this? Some aerial video shot by Eric Bro, a former KATC super dude, as my friend Artie Richard tells me. World Peace Days coming up, I believe that is tomorrow, September 21st. And I thought that was a really cool shot. Pre-K all the way through 5th grade at Myrtle Place, taking that shot right there. That was really
awesome.
neat. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
All righty, thank you,
Thanks,
Rob.